Here we have been given three organic compounds and we have to compare the reactivity of these compounds towards reaction with LiAH4. So LiAH4, if you are well acquainted with the concept, LiAH4 in solution is going to give you an ion called H negative. Now this group is going to be a strong nucleophile as it has a strong negative charge on it. So this is going to attack regions in a compound which are having strong localized concentration of positive charge. So here what we have observed is that in these three organic compounds, the oxygen atom is common. So for the time being, we ignore the oxygen atoms located over here. And in all these compounds, the carbonyl carbon is going to be having a strong positive charge. Here we have the carbonyl carbon. In this compound, we have it here. In this compound, we have it here. Now let's investigate the effects of the neighboring groups. This is a benzene ring. So this will enter into an R positive resonance over here, thereby increasing the electron density and thus decreasing the positive charge of the carbonyl carbon. The methyl group, as we know, it is a plus I group. Due to the inductive effect, the positive charge present at the carbonyl carbon is going to decrease. In the second organic compound, we have a methyl group which is basically going to behave as a I positive group, and thus it is going to decrease the positive charge on this carbon atom. We have a chlorine atom which has a minus I effect, thus decreasing the electronic character, increasing the positive character on this carbon atom. Here we have a benzene ring, thus we know that it will enter into a R positive resonance, thus decreasing the positive charge on the carbonyl carbon. And we have OCH3, the oxygen atoms are going to have lone pairs which also enter into R positive resonance, further decreasing the positive character of the carbonyl carbon. And as we know, the H minus group is basically going to be a strong nucleophile, thus it is going to attack that region fastest which is having the highest positive charge. The highest positive charge will be observed on the carbonyl carbon of this organic compound, because the minus I and plus I effects are going to neutralize each other. Then what we will observe is that we have an organic compound where there is one R positive resonance, one I positive inductive effect. We have one organic compound where there are two R plus resonance effects. So here when we compare the positive nature of the carbonyl carbon here in the first organic compound, it will have more of a positive nature, as the I plus effect is going to donate less electrons compared to R plus resonance. And here in the third organic compound, both are R plus resonances, so there is going to be a heavy donation of electrons towards the carbonyl carbon. Hence the answer that we get after comparing all the alternatives is going to be option A. Thus the reactivity of these compounds towards reaction with LiAH4 is second compound has highest reactivity, then we have the first compound, and the third compound has the least reactivity.